I can pull this.
Mama wants it.
You need a little help there, kitty?
Don't touch it. It's mine.
You need help, kitten? Want Mama to help you? Find your present.
Oh wait, I need to create an apple ID.
Get this paper out of the way. Somebody help me.
I'll get it right now.
She got it. She got it.
Good girl.
I have to get it off the paper now.
Oh.
She doesn't care about the phone.
No, that's Mama's present.
I'm trying to give it to her.
Does she sniff it? Does she realize there's stuff in there?
Happy
She watched
kitty.
me do it.
Oh, look at you.
You want some help there, Miss Mudge? Want Mama to help you?
Mama, what you got? God, I lost my voice at the game.